How do we solve this type of trigonometry question? Without using tables, find the value of sin 20 degrees all over cos 70 degrees plus cos 25 degrees all over sin 65 degrees. This question is WAEC 1995. Now, let me just tell you one trick. Anytime in mathematics that you see sine on one side equals to cosine on one side, or you see cosine first on one side equals to sine on the other side of the equation, we are going to use our idea of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are angles that when you add them together, you must have what now? 90 degrees. So which implies if I have sine of something, okay, it must be equal to cos of 90 minus that thing. That is the principle. So which implies if this one is now 30, for example, let us put our s to be equals to 30. Let us put our s equals to 30. Now we are having sine of 30 must give us cos of 90 minus 30. So it means sin 30 is equals to what now? Cos of 60 degrees. When you press sin 30, you will see half or 0.5. When you press cos 30, you will see half or 0.5. So what is the key idea here? When you add your angles together, you see sine here, you see cos here. When you add the angles in front of them together, you will see 90 degrees. I will now apply this concept. I saw 20 here, I saw 30 here. So it implies sin 20 is the same as what now? Cos 70. Sine and cos. 20 plus 70 is 90. So it means these two things are what now? They are equal. So I can say sin 20 all over sin 20 because they are the same thing. I can change this cos to what now? To sine. Then plus 25 plus 65. They are the same thing. I can change one to cos. I have cos 25 equals to what now? Cos 25 to here because sin 65 will give us one. Let us go. Sin of 65 will be equals to cos of 90 minus 65. So it means that what? Our sin 65 will give us what now? Cos of what now? 25 degrees. Using the idea of what now? Complementary angles. So I can say they're the same thing. So cos of what? 25 all over cos of what now? 25. They are the same thing. So sin